When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones.
This is the weighted speed chop, also called a cross chop or wood chop, anything that resembles basically with an axe coming down and chopping. I recommend getting in just outside of a shoulder width position. So if this is your squat position, I recommend going just a little bit wider. You're gonna go down to one side in basically a quarter squat position, and you're obviously going in a twist just outside that knee. From here, it's meant to be fast, okay? From here, you powerfully come up, and you can see I'm extending through that toe, and you finish across the face to the other side of the body. One reason it's great that this is fast is if it's fast, this is forcing you to also decelerate the movement. It also forces you to stop twisting, right? Because you're not gonna go into a ballerina twist, the ballerina spin. So as it's fast, again, this is anti-rotation because you have to use your abdominals to stop the spin or stop the twist. So it's up, stop, controlled on the way down, and then fast up. Now, pay extra careful attention, especially if this is making you tired. As you come down, you don't want to hit your knee. I've seen it happen. It sounds ridiculous, right? But if this is like the 5th set and some idiot programmed 100 reps per set, you might be extremely tired. You might just be throwing this thing around, trying to get yourself on YouTube. So don't do that. You want it to be controlled and come down to the side of the leg, always controlled. Obviously don't hit your joints. If you're ever so tired that your technique is going into the stinker, stop your reps. Either take some extra reps and start again, or just stop and tell your coach the weight was too much, or the reps are too high, or you needed some extra rest. Never sacrifice form to complete the program. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have questions.